Welcome to NC7 Parkham. Speak English naturally, without thinking. Just listen, repeat, and let it flow.
Hi, B. What day is it today?
Hi, A. Today's Monday. Do you remember what month it is?
Monday, okay. I think it's April, right?
Yes, it's April. Wow, my birthday's next month.
Ooh, really? When is your birthday then?
It's on May 15th. Are you free on that day?
May 15th? That's a Wednesday, isn't it?
Yes, it is. A Wednesday. We should celebrate.
He has another fun little dialogue about the same topic. Let's see how it goes.
Hi, Tom. What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Saturday.
Saturday? Why Saturday?
Because I don't work. I can relax or play games.
That sounds nice. What month is your birthday in?
My birthday is in July. How about you?
Mine is in August. I love summer months.
Me too. Summer is the best.
He has another fun little dialogue about the same topic. Let's see how it goes.
Hey, Tom, do you remember when Sarah's birthday party is? I completely forgot the exact date.
Let me see. I think it's on the 20th of July. Yeah, that sounds right.
Are you sure? I thought it was in August, maybe the 10th or something.
No, Emily, it's definitely July 20th. We just talked about it last week. It's a Saturday, so it works out perfectly.
Oh my gosh, you're right. My brain must be on vacation already. July 20th, Saturday. Got it now.
Good. So are you free on the 5th of next month then? We're planning a small get-together for the holiday.
Oh, the 5th of August. Oh, absolutely. I'd love to. What day is that?
That's a Friday. Perfect for kicking off the long weekend. Mark your calendar.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice speaking.